Training your cat to use a litter box is one of the first steps in welcoming them into your home. If you're new to cat ownership or just looking for some tips, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. From choosing the right litter box to maintaining it properly, we'll cover all the essential steps to ensure your cat uses their litter box with ease. Let's get started and make litter box training a breeze. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. What tips or tricks have worked best for you in training your cat to use the litter box? Share your experiences or any challenges you've faced in the comments below. Now, let's get started. Training your cat to use a litter box is a straightforward process if you follow these detailed steps. Choose the right litter box. Size matters. Ensure the litter box is large enough for your cat to comfortably enter, turn around, and dig. A box that's too small can make your cat uncomfortable and less likely to use it. Covered or uncovered. Some cats prefer covered litter boxes for privacy, while others feel confined by them. Try both types to see which your cat prefers. If using a covered box, make sure it has a door that's easy for your cat to enter and exit. Pick the right litter type of litter. Most cats prefer clumping litter, which makes it easier to clean and control odors. However, some cats might prefer non-clumping or natural litters made from materials like corn or wheat. Depth of litter. Fill the box with about 2 to 3 inches of litter. Too much or too little litter can make the box less appealing to your cat. Place the box in a good spot location. Put the litter box in a quiet, low-traffic area where your cat can use it in peace. Avoid placing it near their food and water bowls, as cats prefer separation between eating and elimination areas. Accessibility. Make sure the box is easily accessible. If you have a kitten or an older cat, ensure they can comfortably get in and out of the box. Show your cat the box. Initial introduction. After bringing your cat home or shortly after a meal or nap, gently place them in the litter box. This helps them understand where they should go. Encouragement. Gently scratch the litter with your fingers, or use a toy to encourage your cat to dig and explore the box. This mimics natural behavior and can help them get the hang of it. Keep the box clean. Daily maintenance. Scoop the litter box daily to remove waste and clumps. Cats are very clean animals and won't use a dirty box. Full clean. Change the litter completely and wash the box with mild soap and water once a week to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. Reward. Good behavior. Positive reinforcement. When your cat uses the litter box, offer praise or a small treat to reinforce the behavior. Positive reinforcement encourages them to continue using the box. Be patient and understanding. Accidents happen. If your cat has accidents outside the litter box, don't punish them. Instead, clean the area thoroughly to remove any scent markers that might attract them to use that spot again. Adjustments. If your cat isn't using the litter box, try different types of litter, box designs, or locations. Sometimes, small changes can make a big difference. By carefully setting up the litter box and encouraging your cat with patience and positive reinforcement, you can help them learn to use it consistently. A well-trained cat will make both their life and yours much easier. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips make litter box training a smooth and easy process for you and your cat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more pet care advice. What tips or tricks have worked best for you in training your cat to use the litter box? Share your experiences or any challenges you've faced in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.